Hey beautiful people, and you're welcome back to the Nikiolori Cooks YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making something that I love so much. It is a no-cook recipe. You do not need any form of cooking, and it is so easy, so delicious, and I'm sure you already know what we're going to be doing. Today we're going to make guacamole. Okay, let's get to it.
Let's go.
Okay, so quick guacamole background check. Okay, guacamole is an avocado based dip. So the main ingredient for guacamole is avocado. It's originated from Mexico, so it's actually a Mexican dish or spread, but over the years and everything, it has become well known all over the world. It is very easy to make, requires no cooking, and even though guacamole is customizable, of course, this is the kind of thing that I'd advise you to keep simple. This is the kind of spread that I'd advise you to enjoy it in the most traditional way you can, and that is, firstly you have to have some form of herb. Cilantro, parsley are the usual candidates for this. They also need to have some form of acidity to give it a bit of kick, to lighten up the spread. So that's usually in the form of lime or lemon. You could also add a bit of spice, that is spice as in heat, in form of peppers, chili pepper, jalapeno pepper, whichever one tickles your fancy. Okay, so here I'm just adding salt and my chopped onions, tomatoes, and pepper. Now, if you want to do seasoning wise, you can actually customize the seasoning. You can use whichever seasoning you prefer, but I'd recommend you using black pepper. Black pepper switches this up to a whole new level. If you want chili, you could use chili powder, maybe another form of dried herb, but that is very relative. You don't have to, and you mix it very well. You have to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Then here I'm adding the lime, as I said before, to brighten up the entire dish. So a very nice way of keeping, or a method that I realized worked when I wanted to keep this guacamole, is that you wrap the bowl that it's in cling film. Make sure that the cling film is touching the surface of the avocado, and place it in the fridge. It will stay in the fridge. It can stay in the fridge for like a few days, but trust me, you finish this before it spoils. Make sure you just eat it up because it's very fresh. So I paired the guacamole with these foodie free lentil and oat chips. Oh my god, they are so good. Foodie free. If you see this, I love your chips, and you could sponsor me. But anyways, here it is. You see, very simple. I didn't even know when this thing finished, but here, that's it all. That's everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And you can also watch my previous videos, everything. I'm sure you will love it all. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.